a system designed to win against you. Welcome back to Money Mindset Lab, the channel where we don't teach you how to get rich fast, we teach you how to stop getting poor slowly. If you're new here, this channel is about money psychology, real numbers, and systems, because money problems are rarely about laziness, they're about design. Now listen carefully. Most people think credit cards are dangerous only if you misuse them. That's not true. Even people who pay on time, even people with decent salaries, even people who believe they're in control, still stay trapped. Today, we'll break down exactly why credit cards keep people trapped, step by step, with data, logic, and reality. Stay till the end, because the final point explains why this trap feels comfortable, and that's why it works. 1. Credit cards break the natural feedback loop of money. Money is supposed to give feedback. You earn, you spend, you feel loss, you adjust behavior. Cash and debit cards keep this loop intact. Credit cards destroy it. When you swipe a credit card, nothing leaves your bank account immediately. No balance drops. No warning signal. No emotional resistance. This is not accidental. Research in behavioral economics shows that delayed consequences lead to higher risk behavior. Your brain learns one dangerous lesson. I can enjoy now and worry later. Now let's add numbers. If a person overspends just $15 per day because of this delay, that's $450 per month. That's $5,400 per year. Add 22 to 28% interest, and suddenly you're not overspending, you're funding the bank. The trap begins here, not with big purchases, but with broken feedback. 2. Minimum payments are designed to keep you stationary. Credit card statements are not neutral documents. They are marketing tools. The minimum payment exists for one reason: to slow you down. Let's walk through real math. Debt, $6,000. Interest, 24%. Minimum payment, around $150. Sounds manageable. But here's the truth. If you pay only the minimum, first year, balance barely moves. Interest eats most of your payment. Years pass with no visible progress. After 10+ years, you may have paid more than the original debt and still owe money. Minimum payments create the illusion of control, while mathematically guaranteeing dependency. This is not poor planning. This is system design. 3. Credit cards turn normal life problems into permanent debt. Life is unpredictable. Cars break. Health issues appear. Travel happens. Family needs help. Before credit cards, people saved for these events. After credit cards, people charge them. The problem isn't emergencies. The problem is that emergencies never get reset. You don't finish paying one before another arrives. Now imagine this cycle. Emergency, card, balance, interest, reduced savings, next. Emergency, card again. This loop creates permanent debt. People don't escape because they're always recovering from the past. Credit cards don't solve emergencies. They postpone pain with interest. 4. Credit limit increases quietly expand your lifestyle. When a bank increases your limit, it feels like progress. But ask yourself this: did your income increase? Did your savings increase? Did your financial stability improve? No, only your capacity to borrow increased. If your monthly income is $3,500, but your credit limit becomes $12,000, that means one bad year can erase multiple good years. Credit limits don't increase freedom. They increase exposure. And exposure without protection is how people fall back years. 5. Interest quietly steals your future options. Interest is invisible slavery. Not dramatic. Not loud. Just constant. Every month, interest claims money before you make decisions. That means less saving, no investing, delayed goals. People think they're stuck because they don't earn enough. In reality, their future income is already promised. Interest doesn't take money. It takes options. The option to quit a bad job. The option to invest. The option to breathe. Credit cards don't trap people suddenly. They trap them comfortably. No alarms. No panic. Just slow progress and constant pressure. But once you understand the system, you can step outside it. If this video made you think, like it helps spread awareness. Subscribe to Money Mindset Lab, where we don't sell dreams, we build discipline. Comment below, do credit cards give you control, or take it away? Your mindset builds your money. Your money builds your future. See you in the next lesson.